Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Frank's Small Farms. I'm here for day 6 I think, on Westwood Farm. Now today they're getting ready to go fencing. They're loading the things off a flatbed trailer that we got last episode with a Land Rover onto the gator because it's too wet to get across with a Land Rover. And then the tractor and the post hole digger. New Holland T6 that is. Some sheep here. Someone asked if we'll be scanning the sheep, and yes, of course we will, definitely. Definitely will. In there we've got calves. I'm not the roof off, as you can see there out and goats. Then more soil. It's very light today. Very nice day. Then in got sheep, silage bales, and in here we've got a wrapper bale and the bales we got last episode. Now I stacked them on their end because they weren't really staying on the, I don't like to say it, on the side. Cows. Some silage, and then then like I keep saying, we're getting more fields here and some other bits and bobs. So on Tuesday that order should hopefully be here, and I'll do an unboxing. And I'd like to say I've got a sub goal of 10, and I'd like to reach 10 subscribers by the end of this month. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and comment. So see you next time. Bye.